So friends, we were talking about like who are the ones who can enter into particular profession. What are the criteria for entering a particular profession? How you can design and curate a particular place in terms of vastu, etc. So today we are talking about the political professions and medical related professions. Okay, these are both professions that are governed by Surya, Sun, the Surya Karmic registry. If we talk about nakshatras, four nakshatras, namely Ashwini, Aslesha, Anuradha, and Purva Bhadrapada. Ashwini that falls under Aries, Aslesha that falls under Cancer, Anuradha that falls under Scorpio, and Purva Bhadrapada nakshatra that falls in Aquarius. Okay, these are the four nakshatras that carry the karmic registry of Sun or Surya. If your Lagna standing point, if your Lagna Lord or your moon, if it goes in any of these nakshatras, or if your 10th Lord, the career Lord, if it goes in these nakshatras, you are eligible. You can select these professions of any political, administrative profession, or any medical profession, doctor, physiotherapist, pharmacist, any of these professions you can choose. Or if we talk about the names, if your name is anything to do with light, like Surya, Ravi, Bhaskar, Uday, Prakash, okay, Jyoti, Deepak, Deepika, such names, you can venture into these professions. Or if your name corresponds to any of the names of Lord Shiva, like Shivraj, Shivendra, okay, Mahesh, such names, or if your name initial starts with AIJQY, these initials, AIJQY, okay, you can enter into these professions of politician or medicine. Now, which is the direction you need to take care of when curating the Vastu? East and Northeast, these are the directions that are dedicated to Surya. And you need to be particularly careful in these directions. You can have a puja room. You can have some fire ritual in these directions. You can keep some diyas, some lamps. You can keep the impression of sun, copper ka Surya. You can keep Surya Yantra. You can keep in these directions, east, northeast. And you can also, Shiva is the deity, as I told you, who is associated with this Surya. You can keep a picture of Lord Shiva in these directions. And if we talk about medical, this thing, so the Hayagiri avatar of Lord, Shiva was the first medical practitioner, followed by Lord Kartikeya. Then the science of medicine came to the Hayagiri avatar of Vishnu, and from Hayagiri avatar of Lord Vishnu, it came to the Ashwini Kumar Devatas and Dhanvantari. So if you have any medical related profession, you can keep pictures of these gods, Lord Shiva, Kartikeya, Hayagiri form of Lord Vishnu, Ashwini Kumar Devatas, or the Dhanvantari Rishi, such Patanjali Rishi, you can keep such pictures of, and in your captions should talk about healing, okay? Your artifacts, captions should talk about healing, okay? It should talk about like sunrise, the sunrise is associated with healing, such kind of impressions you can use in the interior, this thing. Horses, you can use a lot of horse paintings, in your interior crafting, in your interior paintings and all, in your wallpapers and all. Horse is an animal which is associated with healing. It is the animal that belongs to Ashwini Nakshatra, and Ashwini Nakshatra, the Devata, Ashwini Kumar, and it is associated with healing. Okay, in present day, we know that the insulin hormone we extract from the horse. The anti-venom for a snake is extracted from a horse. So many horses to do with healing. Okay. And if we talk about political professions, you can keep the image of Lord Shiva, Kartik, etc. Okay. lion symbol. Now, Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra, as I told you, has Surya Karmik registry. An animal of that nakshatra is lion. And lion, you will see it is associated with ruling. Okay. We say lion is the king of the jungle. When lion walks, lion does not need to prove it to anybody that he is the king of the jungle. He is just simply the king. Okay. So you can keep a lion and you will see these symbols by default come in our psyche, in the collective consciousness. If we talk about our national emblem, the Ashoka Chakra, the lion symbol is there on our coins, on our currency, you'll find this symbol of lion. Okay. So some lion impression you can keep. You can keep the picture of famous warriors or famous rulers like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Guru Nanak Dev, such, famous kings, warriors, conquering something, power, might, you can keep in when curating a place for if you're running a political profession. So this was it about Surya Karma registered profession. If you want to know more about DNA astrology, stellar astrology, nakshatra-based astrology, you can contact us at Maharshi Astrological Center. Contact number is 9503596676. Thanks a lot.